No. I just like did a bunch of stuff. Excuse me. Fix that right now. Okay. $60. There. Now put it back on the shelf. Ugh. Yeah. Dude, you just call me. I heard you. You said mom. One like pasta. Yeah, I love it. Put the pasta down. It's fine. Thank you very much. Now, march a little bit out of my throat. No, I never. Or I'll spray you with Bioma. Bioma. Actually, if you spray it on someone, you actually